All he ever say is promise in me, promise in me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Yolissa Hair. This is a glueless, pre-braided, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-edges, everything. And my audio was cut off because the microphone was off, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this video. This is a new box that they have, and this is what comes in the packaging. They included these, I forgot what they're called. They're like glue strips to glue on your wig, and then all of these little goodies they put in the package. So I'm just showing you that. I always show you guys what came in the packaging. And then they put this satin bag that you can store your wig in, and this is what we've been waiting for. Okay, they braided this wig. Bear in mind, I had this wig for a whole week before doing this video, and the curls are intact, the braids is intact, the half up half down is intact. This wig blew my mind. I literally installed it so quick. You can see how short the video is, and I'm just shocked. Okay, so this is how the inside of the wig looks. It comes with the elastic band, the comb, and all I do is just put it on my head. So I'm gonna play some music so you guys can just watch me. This is literally just a watch. Like, I cannot even have no commentary because the wig speaks for itself. Literally all I did was kind of fix up the edges and the sideburn area, but you could be done, like, literally. So yeah, I'm gonna play some music and you guys can watch what I'm doing, and then I'll talk to you at the end.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. Hear you talking about we a lot, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? I know what time it is right now. It's after 3 AM, I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is hey, you talking about we a lot, we a lunch now. Giving me the sign, so I'm signing now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? Hang right now. On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna, you say, do I wanna this right now? This right now. It's after 3 AM, I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Oh, oh, oh.
All he ever say is promise in me, promise in me.
Hey, comb hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, ou et Montbec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the...
Okay you guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. Literally your 10-minute install, your quickest wig. It's pre-braided. I've never had a pre-braided wig besides like the actual, you know, knotless braid, boho braid wig, but I mean like a pre-braided styled wig, you know, like this. I've never had one like this before. So Yolissa really did their thing. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested in this wig. You can see how quick I installed it. So if you want to follow along with this video, oh my goodness, the curls look so good. Everything looks amazing. I'm gonna show you guys something. I think, oh, I was telling you the length, so I think it is a 22-inch. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the specs down below so you guys can know the actual specs and density and everything in my description box. I am so happy with this wig. It was so easy to put on, literally a breeze. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sending me this braided wig. I appreciate it so much. And thank you guys for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in my next video.
You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. She want me to play with that cat, hey. She love how I make it on wet, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey.